Greetings everybody, this is Ha Gahn for Consider Life. And considering life, I want to consider the life of my brothers and sisters, the trees and the herbs, the shrubs. Those are very, very helpful folks. When I need some comfort or I need to be peaceful, I come amongst the trees, I go amongst the herbs. It gives me a chance to become calm because they are calm people. Being able to go back to nature and to avail yourself with the peacefulness of nature, allowing you to recalibrate your thoughts, also to calibrate your body rhythms, which are very easily to get off balance by participating in today's modern societies. So I suggest that everybody remember to take some time to come into a nature area. And even if you find a favorite place, a favorite tree to be around, to sit down around, and some people like to hug trees, it's all good. So for life considerations, this is Ha Gahn.